Hi guys, today we'll be replacing the license plate bulbs with LEDs. We'll be using LEDs from Boslla. The size is 168. If you guys like this product, I will leave the link in the description. Also, as you can see, we have a backup camera installed in this vehicle. If you guys want to see the full installation, the link will be in the description as well. To access the bulbs, we'll have to remove this plastic cover. For this, I will be using this plastic tool. Bulbs are located right here, this one and the second one. To remove it, I have to turn it counterclockwise. To take it out, simply pull it out like this, and I'll show you guys the difference between the OEM and the new LED. Size-wise, they're very similar, which is good. This way we know that it'll fit. The installation is plug and play. Simply put the new one in and reinsert the whole thing. When you find the proper position, just turn it clockwise. Alright, this is a new LED and the OEM bulb. We can tell that it's a lot brighter, the LED, and of course it's white. Let's install the second one. Okay, both bulbs are in, and this is what we get. Much better. I'll open the door and show you guys how it looks like from here. Again, these are the bulbs from the Boslla. The link will be in the description. Also, the link for the rear camera installation will be in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.